I normally say that I like to be contacted by my constituents, giving their views on things that we are voting on here in the European Parliament. And I must say that in the past couple of weeks, I have literally had hundreds and hundreds of messages from you about TTIP. For those of you who don't know, TTIP is a trade agreement that's being negotiated between the European Union and the United States. Why is this important for us in Wales, and why are people lobbying so hard against TTIP? Well, it's because it has many dangers for us in Wales. It would affect our standards on workers' rights, on the environment, on food safety, on all kinds of issues that we have fought so hard to protect. But it would also give enormous power to big companies at the expense of our government, our democracy. So TTIP is a big issue. We'll be voting on this week in the European Parliament. It's not the end of the story. This is only a vote to give the Parliament's view to the Commission who's carrying out the negotiations. But it is an important milestone in the whole of the negotiations. So please, more of you get in touch with me. Tell me what you think about it. And if you'd like to know more about it, not just from me, but from other organisations in Wales, then please ask for a copy of this booklet, TTIP and Wales. It's by several organisations who are also expressing their concerns about the discussions that are going on, not least because it's all happening behind closed doors. So please get involved. We want you a voice, the voice of Wales, to be heard in this debate.